Hello, today you're gonna learn the animal's name in Arabic.
Whoa, that sounds interesting.
Yeah, mister, that's good. I'm excited.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the first animal. And the first animal is
Ooh, I like cats. Well, actually, I'm a cat, but never mind.
cat in Arabic is قطة قطة.
قطة. قطة.
Qattatun. Qattatun.
Excellent, that's good class. Alright, now for the second animal. The second animal is
Oh, mister, that's you.
Yes.
yeah, that's my brother. And the lion in Arabic is أسد أسد.
أسد. أسد.
Asadun. Asadun.
Excellent class. Now for the next animal. The next animal is
Oh, mister, he's studying too, like us.
Oh, and he's wearing medical glasses too.
yes, and he's studying science in the other class. The rabbit in Arabic أرنب أرنب.
Arnabun. Arnabun.
أرنب. أرنب.
Excellent class. And the next animal is
Oh, chicken. I like chicken. Yummy.
and chicken in Arabic is دجاجة دجاجة.
دجاجة. دجاجة.
Dejezatun. Dejezatun.
Excellent class. Now for the next animal. The next animal is
Oh, fish. Nice.
and the fish in Arabic is سمكة سمكة.
سمكة. سمكة.
Samakatun. Samakatun.
That's good class. Now for the next animal. The next animal is
Oh no, I'm scared, mister.
oh, don't worry. You scared of bee? I'm here. And bee in Arabic is نحلة نحلة.
Nahlatun. Nahlatun.
نخلة. نخلة.
Excellent class, that was good. Okay class, that's the end of our first lesson. See you in the next lesson.
Yes, mister, goodbye. I really have fun today. Thank you very much.
Yes, mister.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more and check the other videos. Thank you.